Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to convert Celsius degree into Fahrenheit. Multiply the Celsius value by 9 to 5, then add 32 to get the Fahrenheit reading. I will walk you through the reasoning, show a clear example, and give a fast mental trick for common temperatures. This friendly guide keeps math simple and practical, so you can convert temperatures confidently for cooking, travel, and weather checks. In this video, I will explain how to convert Celsius degree into Fahrenheit. Start with the Celsius number, multiply it by 9 to 5, then add 32 to complete the conversion. I'll demonstrate with a couple of examples, one using a whole number and one using a decimal, so you can see how decimals work. By the end, you will feel comfortable converting temperatures in your head or on a calculator. In this video, I will explain how to convert Celsius degree into Fahrenheit. For example, 0 degrees C becomes 32 degrees F after applying the rule, and 100 degrees C becomes 212 degrees F using the same steps. I'll show a fast mental approximation for everyday numbers and a precise calculator method for exact values. The tone stays simple and encouraging, so you can practice and remember the formula while cooking, traveling, or checking weather reports.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.